I don't want to write code for anything but TempleOS. Someone someone mentioned QEMU. I I had it working in virtual KVM mode. I think what I wrote works in it. They the point they raised was that I could make PC Speaker work on my own if I modified QEMU. Except I think the CIA doesn't want it. So first of all, I get God to kill the fucking CIA. Then we do it. Get some creeping death action on the CIA. I don't know. God could do it. Anyway, so what do you say, Mr. God? God says, rested inflection knees unlike her, directing, averred, encumbered, contradictory, fluctuates, betake, destined, announcement, guidance, hang. I sure don't want to add PC Speaker to QEMU. That does not sound like fun, and I think I would be fighting against their wishes. We have to convince, basically God has to kill somebody. God's got to kill people before people. Did you read Exodus? God did all kinds of shit. They ignored it. He made hail, fire, and shit. They ignored it. Not until he killed people, and then they still ignored it. So he killed them in the Red Sea. We have a failure to communicate. That's what I figure. So I saw a couple car advertisements. Yeah, well. Oh yeah, well, how about the God make him jealous? God says, how about time travel? You got dinosaurs? As far as structure is concerned, I can see no similarity between tridactyl pedicellularia and avicularia. The latter resembles somewhat more closely the chelia and pinchers of crustaceans, and Mr. Mivart might have adduced with equal appropriateness this resemblance as a special difficulty, or even their resemblance to the head and beak of a bird. The avicularia are believed by Mr. Busk, Mr. Smith, and Dr. Nietzsche, naturalists who have carefully studied this group, to be homologous with the zooids and T. I'm not a homo. And I think he's talking about Triceratops. What about Triceratops? I have a high-performance computer. By the time you get rid of Ring Zero, and check this out. Watch this. I'll show you some high performance. Hold on a second. Admonished officers alter processing, faithful constellations, mourners recollect, host foretold, spare as unutterable. Image chant bestowed, ambrose, rocks knock, genuine requited, interrupt, existence reigns, let witherward cause tale consist do. Okay, so look at this right here. This is the number of swaps. That's task swaps. Watch this. Watch this, motherfucker. I'm gonna show you a Porsche 911. I'm just kidding. Okay. this is not going to degrade performance. We say spawn. Let's see if I can do it from memory, or I'll crash. My task is 0. Comma I. So this is going to put a task that swaps itself out. Watch this. This is incredible. Are you ready? Ooh, doggy. Look at, aw, bummer. I thought I got 4 million. I could swear I got 4 million. Something's wrong. Maybe if I kill a core. Oh well. I could swear I got 4 million. Okay, now I'm gonna go kill some of those. That's not very easy to do. I have to. That's the number of task switches. Okay, so now we go task rep. I think if I click these, they die. 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 Okay, that's the task. Okay, I don't want to kill that one. Which one is it? Task, what? Okay. Now, let's try this again. Let's leave a task for Windows. Leave a core. How about let's leave 2 cores? 1 is 2. Are you ready? Here we go. Fire up. Oh, I told you, didn't I? Well, that's not quite. Okay, 4 million. Now we're at 4 million on all those. Almost. That is, do you realize what I'm talking about? I am talking about a task context save and a task context restore. It's doing that many. 4 million a second on each core. What that amounts to is it diverts the stack and then it pushes it. Then it diverts the stack and then it pops the registers. Context switch. I do not mess with memory. I leave it identity mapped. Okay, how's that for impressive?